have Sam. He'll be going an FUE procedure with us. How's it going, Sam? You're excited?
Yes,
You're looking forward to it? Awesome. All right. So what we're going to do is he has thinning in the frontal 2 zones, the first 7 centimeters, and we're going to go ahead and reinforce the hairline all the way going back up to here. We're aiming around 3,000 grafts. See you guys soon. So this is your donor region, Sam. It's called your permanent zone. The donor region is really good. Alright, Sam, what you're gonna feel next is me marking the areas we're going into. Okay, this is your donor region. We're gonna harvest your grafts. Awesome. Your donor region right now is divided to a nice grid. Any pain here?
No.
Good. So we just finished harvesting with Sam. So how did that go, Sam?
So far, so good.
So good. Was it painful?
No. Can't really complain.
You can't really complain. The needles are the worst part. I tell every patient, right?
Yeah.
Afterwards, you don't really feel much harvesting. How was it for you?
Scale of 1 to 10, probably a 6.
The pain scale for the numbing. How about
Yeah.
after the injection?
After the injections, it was just like I was just sleeping most of the time.
Oh, that's awesome. So you didn't really feel much except for the needle pokes.
Yeah.
That's which
Exactly.
is the case. So awesome. So what we're gonna do next for you, Sam, is basically do the shave. Your design is already there. We don't really have to change the shape of your hairline. We just want to create density. Okay. So we're just gonna outline your natural hairline, and then we're gonna give you density. How many grafts do we have left?
We have 3,170 grafts.
Okay, so we have 3,170 grafts, over 170 grafts than what we were aiming for. And what are the percentages?
For singles, we have 23%. Doubles, we have 45%. And triples are 32%.
Awesome. So we basically over 75% we have doubles and triples for you.
Sweet.
Okay, that's really awesome. And yeah, what's the percentage for the triples?
32%.
32%. Okay, and we also saw that your triples you have a lot of more than 3 hairs per graft, which would give you a lot of density. Very excited for you. Ready for the next part?
Yeah.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna shave all of this, do an outline, and then do the incisions.
Pretty satisfied.
Perfect. 8 and 8 on each side. So we're working on your zone 1. Okay. Now we're gonna work on zone 2. So we're working on the softeners, okay? These are irregular hairs that give you that natural appearance, that natural flow. Turn towards me a bit. Beautiful. I really like the design. I think it looks great. Unfortunately, you're gonna feel a few more needle pokes, so we numb the scalp, okay? They're nothing as bad as what you felt earlier. It's less. But the location is just on top of your scalp.
Alright.
Okay. So I'll give you the mirror and tell me what you think.
Yeah.
So this is zone 1, the first 2 centimeters. This is where we're going to go extra dense in the very front. This is what's going to give you the facial framing and the symmetry. And this is zone 2. The next 5. Each one of these requires different density per centimeter. And we have over 3,000 grafts for you in a single day, in a single setting, so it's going to be very dense 12 months out.
Alright.
You excited? Alright, here comes the numbing part. Alright. Sam, you're all done. Ready for lunch?
Yes, I am.
Just finished the incisions. You want to take a look?
Yes, please.
You excited?
Yeah.
Alright. Here we go. I think it turned out amazing. Hope you like it. On the count of 3. So by the way, when you go home after the grafts are implanted, the way you remove your cap is back to front. Okay? So this is how you will remove it. And keep in mind, everything you see now is swollen and it's elevated. Your final hairline will be in about 5 to 6 days. What do you think?
I like it a lot.
We went a little bit further into the mid scalp area. It looks amazing. The hairline looks awesome. We have almost 3,200 grafts, over 75%, I believe 77% doubles and triples. It framed your face really nicely. All of this is tumescence, it's fluid. You see that?
Yeah, yeah.
You have edema, pitting edema.
Yeah.
That's all fluid. This is gonna come down the next few days. All the swelling around your eyes, your cheekbones, and your chin for about 4 or 5 days. But I think it looks absolutely fantastic. It frames your face really nice. And you keep looking more like Mr. What's his last name? Pirates of the Caribbean?
Depp.
Mr. Depp. Yeah. Amazing hairline.
Yeah, I like it a lot.
So we have a few more hours. It's only 2:30 right now, 2:39. And we have another 2-3 hours worth of implanting. And we call it a day.
Sweet.
All right?
I'm excited.
Congratulations, Sam. You
Thank you.
survived. It looks awesome. You have a lot of tumescence fluid under your scalp right now. Okay? And that would go away in the next 4 to 5 days. I'm also applying an antibiotic cream in the back. It might be a little tender and it might even sting just a little bit. If it does, lasts about 20 minutes or so, the stinging, okay? I think it looks amazing, very dense.
Can't wait to see it.
And I'm gonna hand you the mirror and you tell us what you think. I think you're gonna really like it. Alright, let's clean you up a bit. So we actually went all the way into parts of zone 3 as well.
Sweet. Sounds good.
So mirror coming up. Alright. Was the back stinging at all?
Just a tiny bit,
Tiny bit.
but it's bearable.
Good. Alright. Here it comes. So keep in mind what you see now is not the final result. It's swollen, it's elevated. One side is also a little bit
Small.
different
Wow.
because it's swollen.
Wow.
What do you think?
That's amazing.
You like it?
Yeah. Yeah.
So everything you see right now under your scalp is fluid, okay? All of these are gonna come down and the hairline is actually gonna be about a centimeter or so lower than what it is now. Okay,
Alright.
we almost have 3,200 grafts. The first 7-8 centimeters of your scalp from your hairline going back. Okay, I think this is gonna yield you a really nice density and it looks amazing. Very clean.
Yeah.
It's awesome.
Well, thank you
So,
very much.
well, what do you think? What you're looking for? Or?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
Awesome. Can I get a high five?